Testing, testing, testing. Testing. Okay, it works. Testing, testing. Testing. What is it being using? AKG. Okay. Okay. I don't know if it's too loud. Hopefully it's the right amount. Okay. Alright, alright. We just wait for the people. Well, we actually start working. So today all I'm gonna do is use the use theme, because right now what I have is right now what I'm using is just a variable. Not really cool, not really clean. As you can see here, welcome. This dark theme, that's what I'm using. You see here, so it's a state. That's what I'm using right now. But I want to go to the theme provider. I know Next.js has some theme provider. npm installed Next themes. Oh, by the way, this is the page. And I just realized I don't even have a chat. There you go. Here we go. Here we go. I don't know if these things work, but let's hope they do. That's an 80, 60. It's all working, I think. Anyway, so this is the website. As you can see, this is a light theme. I really like the light theme. I think it works better than any other theme. Currently, the website looks great in my opinion. It has a lot of performance issues, especially because of the roadmap, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Believe, and I will believe in you. In terms of the content, did I close it? No, it's loading. Okay. In terms of the content, it's gonna load. There you go. So, in terms of the content, I like it. I have like how much? 20%, I think. I make it small, 25%. So in terms of content, I still got a lot to work on. I still gotta put SQL. I still gotta put Java. I still gotta finish Python. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. But I'm getting there. I think I'm getting there. Just to start, the idea of the website is simple. Basically, I keep forgetting all the languages that I have learned throughout my years of coding. It's been years, it's been ages, and I still forget languages. It's because I go to one project and I start working with React, Next.js, other things, and then you have to prepare for interviews, and then you have to go to Python again. So you gotta remember all you learn from Python after months of working on a project using JavaScript, React, and that is complicated, especially for me. I think I really have a bad memory. I really like the light mode. So given that I have a bad memory, what I have, it's, some quick, easy things to remember about Python. Let's say I have to remember something with graphs. Okay, matrix. How do you traverse through it? How do you transpose it? All those questions. Watch. All those things. Yeah, all those things are here. Pretty clean, pretty nice. And if you only want to see the code, because personally I don't like to read over and over the same thing. I think reading is not my forte. I think going through the code, it's actually what I like. So I kept some examples where you don't need to read anything. You just need to look at the code directly, and it gives you an idea of how to do something like a breadth first search on with nodes in a matrix. So you don't need to read anything. You just need to look at the code. It's pretty simple. I have some things to delete your progress, because you can also keep your progress up by clicking complete. It completes the whole thing, and so on. Pretty somewhat simple project that I wanted to do for people who are doing interviews, especially me, because like I said, I have very bad memory. But we're doing it. So yeah, today what I wanted to do is change the theme. I think I have a bad setup with the theme. Really like it, but bad setup, because right now what I'm using is a state, like I explained at the beginning. It's dark theme, and I'm passing that state to all the components and so on, which it works. When it comes to working, it works. Is it the best thing? No. So I was looking into it, and I saw that I could install the Nets themes. I thought it was gonna be the best way to do it. But I haven't tried it, so I have to look into it. I have to do so this provider JS sets. By the way, I think it's it's this way. These things are things I'm planning on doing some fixes I have to do, some additions, some changes, you know, just things that I have. It's a list, and it gives you an idea of what I'm gonna do through every day. Maybe little by little I'm gonna be able to eliminate a few things, or we're gonna get like 100 more, which is most likely the case. And first thing, providers. I'm just gonna eliminate this. npm install. That's themes. Well, actually, let me see how it works. Take children. Oh, and by the way, the dark theme. You see how I'm using it. If it's true, we're using this part. If it's false, we're using the other part. That's essentially what I'm doing with everything, and it looks alright and it works fine because it has transition colors. It has duration 300. This is Tailwind CSS. It works fine, but who knows? This is how you toggle. Use themes from next themes. It's a state. Is it like a state? I think or so, right? Use dark mode. It seems like somewhat the same thing of what I'm doing here. What makes it better though? Comes with two defaults, like and dark. Class names of the HTML body or main. Blah blah blah. But if I do it this way, okay, yeah, it's just a state, but what's the difference between this and that? Set theme, light, dark. So we are setting strings of sorts. It's background. What is this other thing? Using dark mode hook. In case you're using plain React with light or create, you can use. I'm not using that. Anyway, I think it shouldn't be that hard. Last words ever said before a huge bug comes up. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Providers. CSS. I'm using JavaScript instead of TypeScript. Why? Who knows? No, because I wasn't thinking. So I started using TypeScript instead of JavaScript. Maybe I should move to TypeScript, but so far so good. As long as we don't have any problems, I don't think it's a problem. Didn't install it. I didn't install it. Right now, so we have to use the client. Use client. Export function providers. Keep in mind this is TypeScript. Sometimes Copilot is just, it goes insane. Am I missing something? What is this thing? Oh, have you guys seen the Next.js 15? Next UI provider, what is this thing? I don't know. If we have a problem, I'd change it. But Next theme. Import theme provider. Why did they change the name though? Theme provider, attribute class, default theme. Default theme is dark. I think everybody agrees that dark is probably the best. Now what's the problem? There we go. More or less, right? More or less what I want. Providers, then on the layout, CS. Theme switcher providers. Yeah, right, but where do you... Here. Here? Install it. Wrap your app with the theme provider component from Nets themes. Go to your provider's TSX or JSX. Create if it doesn't exist, and wrap the component with the Nets UI provider and the Nets theme provider components. By the way, I didn't check something before. Give me a second. Just checking what's happening on Twitch. Twitch.
We don't have
It's
safe white
52.
so it doesn't matter where you use it. As long as you use it anywhere, honestly. Because AM1 doesn't need that many pines.
Channel. Oh, I am live on Twitch. Nice. Oh, I am live on Twitch. Alright. That's all I wanted to see. The providers. How do I... From what I understand, you wrap the providers around the root layout, right? Or is that what this Nets UI provider is? Your application. Yeah, you got main here. I don't even have main here. This is just something else. Gotta go somewhere else there. Visual theme provided 13.4. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Very thankful I'm doing this right now. Use cookie for this. Cookie for this. Chakra UI. Blah 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 blah. Chakra Pro. Children. Each guys are in development toggle won't work because of weather cache. That's remove metadata layout. Help with the assets. Toaster. Provider. Is it is what I'm thinking, right? Never doubt yourself, brother. Never doubt yourself. Theme. No. It's providers. Providers. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba. Ba. Ba, ba. Providers. Theme provider. Now, moment of truth. Is it gonna work? Hopefully. npm run def. Compiling. Compiling. Objects are not valid as a React child if meant to render collection of children using array instead. What is this guy talking about? What are you talking about? This is what it's talking about. Objects are not valid as a React child if meant to render a collection of children using array. Same problem. Same problem. It's query thing. I'm still confused about this Nets UI provider. API reference for Nets UI. This is the provider. I don't have pages directory, so this is not it. Yeah, I already have that. Providers, man. Providers. Attribute class. Default dark theme. Okay. Providers, components, providers. Providers, children. What if, instead of using the provider here, you know, you learn when you try. You learn when you try. Theme provider. Theme provider. You learn when you try. You learn when you try. Yeah, I mean, if it works, it works. Goodbye, providers. Goodbye. Perfect. Perfect or not? What are we talking about here, brother? Who is looking for you? Nobody wants you. There you go. Right. Currently working. Perfect. Cool. So we added the provider. Dark theme is, I guess this is because this is, I never explicitly said what it should be, but everything, I mean, I'm not using the provider just yet, but why does it look so dark though? Anyway, we're making progress. Okay, so the way I have it, again, it's dark theme. The way that I have to change it is using a string, right? Set the thing to light, which is a string. Theme is a string, so yeah, I think I have to change it all to string. A string. That's going to be quite painful. And as you can see right here, there's a probability that we could switch to TypeScript unless we're too deep. If we're too deep, then there's nothing I can do. I don't think we're that deep. TypeScript is just adding types. I'm not an expert at all with TypeScript. I almost never use it, but you know, it is what it is. I'm trying to find the origin of is dark theme, and I think it's right here. Yeah, some things are not very standard. Don't judge me. But yeah, it is darker. So when it comes to themes, I just have to import the theme thing. Const theme use theme from use theme. Did it get imported? right? Theme, set theme, set theme, set theme. Then we gotta import this theme thingy here. Right, 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 right. So set the theme. 3 people. We're going up, brother. I don't know if it sounds right. Do I sound too high or too slow? Too low? Hopefully it sounds right. Here. Toggle theme. Actually, toggle theme. It only uses it here. Welcome. Toggle theme. And I'm sending that to all of them. And it's a boolean. It's a function. This would be also a function, but whatever. We can just send set theme here. Set theme. Oh, theme equals dark equals light. No. Set theme. That's it. That's all we want is dark theme. All dark theme is just gonna be replaced with theme, except up here, where we can delete this dark theme. Well, actually, before we do that, I just wanna change and take out everything where it says dark theme. We want to eliminate that. Dark theme. Dark theme. Dark theme. It's a lot, but I think it's safe to just change it by theme to theme. Quick change. Not exactly gonna help us a lot right now, but it's somewhat going to help us in the future. Same thing, although we don't even need to pass down the theme. We can import the theme from those components. Am I wrong or am I right? I've never used themes, by the way. You may be looking at me, oh, this guy used a theme. I don't use themes. No. But to be fair, this is the first sort of website that I'm trying to make it useful for other people. Doesn't work anymore. Welcome. Toggle theme. So we don't even need this anymore. We don't even need toggle theme anymore. We don't need is dark theme. We just need const theme set theme. And no, we don't need this. It's not a state, it's use theme. Toggle theme though. Toggle. Here we have the list. Here we have the button. Community. Buttons. That's it. Huh. Here we go. Toggle theme. 2 G's, not 2 O's. Toggle theme. Unclick toggle theme. This is just gonna change it from true to false, true to false. What I want to do is change it from light to dark. Is there a way to use the theme thingy as in true or false instead of dark or light? Tailwinds uses tailwind config. There you go. Colors, it's 10 dark, purple dark. I gotta change that. But other than that, huh? What does that mean? I have purple dark. Here are default values from dark theme. Okay. We have purple dark. We make it a class. Then using these values, foreground, background, colors. I think because you put the class name that belongs to this section first, and then you put the other things afterwards, you kind of change it. I'm guessing. Cool. Okay, I'll figure that part later. So that part is about classes. Oh my. It's a whole new way of doing this thing. Okay. Next themes boolean. Can I make it a boolean? It's not gonna help me with boolean, it's just gonna help me with classes. Change class names. I guess that works too. Not entirely though. Because in the light theme, sometimes I'm using dark theme colors. Sometimes the dark theme and the light theme use the same colors. So who knows? This seems like a huge refactoring world. What's about the time? Yeah, I think that's what it is, right? We just gotta change class names. Light mode, the current theme, next themes, provider, attribute class. Maybe there are other attributes I can change. We're using class attribute. This is because NetsUI uses the class name attribute. Okay. Is there a more full version of Nets themes? Apparently so. The provider. That's what we did before. Dark theme, use theme, set theme, light, API. Default system, forced theme, enable system true, disable transition, change false themes. Okay, here we go. Data theme, value, nonce. Samples, enable system, false, attribute class, page that theme, force page to a theme, disable transitions of themes. Seems like a lot. Boy hydrates and mismatch for sure. Don't get me wrong, it's not that I don't understand what I'm doing. It's just trying to figure out an easy way to translate what we have into what we want. I could refactor the whole thing. I genuinely don't want to, because from what I'm seeing, it changes the class from one to another. In other words, this theme thing you see here will be the class that we will use in Tailwind. So here I extended, I changed the actual, I probably changed the names, and instead of light dark like I have it here, I have like a class. Then I put the background colors, and I just changed a few colors here and there. Once I do that, I get back here. Oh, and I eliminated dark and light. We're just left with background and the class, which is above this. And here I'm just gonna have to put something like a theme, and then instead of having this dark light, I just put background, background, and that's it. But you have to think about that. I have to do that with every single component I have here, and let me tell you, it's a lot. 430, 171, 350. The one that has the most is just this. 660. Think about that. So I don't really want to do this. Is there a better way? Is there a nicer way? Is there a proper way of doing this? Who knows? Or wrapping. Don't want to do that. That's a good way to switch. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that switcheroo. Switcheroo toggle thing. Basically, bibbidi bobbidi, bibbidi boo. I just switch you. Oh mamma mia, what did I do now? Use theme, use not iterable. Echo me? What do you do, brother? Mega Man. I'm Mega Man. I see. And now we have Still not very well. What happened up here? Are we having a problem here? Use theme. It seems type error is not iterable. Isn't that what this guy's doing? The theme, use theme, blah blah blah, blah blah, blah 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 blah. Set theme. Set theme. It's red, but it's never declared. Am I typing it wrong? Oh, I am typing it right. Ah. I'm Mega Man. I'm Mega Man. Alright. Alright. Let me just. Perfecto. Perfecto. Dark and not defined. Dark theme is gonna be changed to theme. Theme is not gonna be defined. I don't think it's gonna be defined because I just took it off. So we just have to go back and put it here. I thought Copilot was gonna fix that. Right. Three people. Okay, use router. Set theme. Use theme is not. What do you mean by that? Is it because I'm importing it too many times? No code change. Material UI, no. Next.js. That's not it. Here we go. Use it simple. Use action stay on it. The server. Blah blah blah. Just to know, I also replace the starter code from the paste page to call the sign up component. Mamma mia. New themes, they said. It's gonna be so easy, they said. What I'm gonna do. Am I blind and not seeing something? Show collapse frames. Juice themes. State. Set theme dark, set theme light. Use theme. Theme, set theme, use theme. I'm extremely confused right now, brother. And it's expanded handle high. What am I even sending here? I'm sending with. I'm sending options. Why am I sending so much? There's no need to send those things. How is there? Take out this thing, and it's gonna give me a problem. Because now you don't know. Right. When I tell you what theme is, you don't know what theme is. Well, how is this different than what I already had? Set theme. Right, that works, but doesn't work. How is this any different than what I had? It works. It works. It works. But this is not exactly how I expected it to work. And I don't think this is exactly how it's supposed to work. The way I think it's supposed to work. You can only import it once? It doesn't seem to be right though. Maybe. I have no other words than maybe. Maybe using const theme. Use theme. And then we don't have to send the theme to anyone. Theme, we don't have to send it. Would that still work? Yeah, yeah, it works. It works. Hmm. Somewhat. Somewhat. And here, instead of using this dark theme, we just do, well, actually we have to change this to be cold theme. I changed the entire theme. What could go wrong? And here we do, no, that's not what I want. Theme, use theme. Okay. Pepe. It's loading. Content topic. Okay. That works for the wrong reasons. Give me a second. Alright, I'm back. There are a few noises here, so try to ignore it if you can. If you can't, then yeah, what a shame. Anyway, so I was doing the themes. Use themes. Yeah, I don't understand how this is different from what I had already. The theme thingy. I generally don't understand. Because it's dark theme. Okay, maybe I'm using use theme here, and somewhere else I'm using set theme, and I don't know. I don't know. Maybe the provider is just better. Maybe it's just better. Where was I though? Changing themes here? Right, 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 right. It's because inner content, that's where it's supposed to be. Inner content here. What? Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Big content, inner content. Inner content, yeah, okay. So instead of inner content, we don't need this. Toggle theme though. I think we need that. Well, let me first of all just change the whole thing. And then change this to set theme. Set theme. And the way I did set theme on the previous one. Where's set theme? Set theme, set theme. Set theme. Toggle theme. Oh. Just prop. Prop types. It's a bit of a mess. Where do I have inner content? Or do I not have inner content? I have to have inner content somewhere. Oh yeah, content page here. Here we have inner content. Inner content here. Right. Set change. Oh yeah, I have to change that too. Not very pretty. Set theme equals to set theme. Set theme equals to set theme. Yeah, it's not defined. It's not defined. Start theme. Oh yeah, because I'm using the parameters. Oh my. Gotta delete this. Toggle dark theme. Is dark theme true? Nope. It's dark theme. I don't want to use that. Right now I'm using search parameters like you can see here. I don't really like that. Generally don't like that. A lot of refactoring, man. A lot of refactoring. Stark theme. Dark themes, dark themes, dark themes, dark theme, theme. I can just change it to theme. It's dark theme to theme. Pretty good. Now that we have that, how do I send the... I gotta send the thingy. What am I using to say? I can use... I can just use themes at theme. It's not a state. It's a use theme. Use theme, brother. This site works. Hopefully this doesn't break for some reason. By the way, the colors. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, same problem. I don't know why I keep having this problem, man. This is one of those problems you just don't know why. Like, I understand I can take themes right there, but how do I get the set theme? So I can get theme here, but what about set themes? Right, that theme. So I'm gonna change that thing right here. Welcome page. Content. Here we go. Change this for now. And I want to take out the is expanded. Oh, set theme is not defined. I know it's not defined. Set theme, let's see, yes. One page to another. Because for some reason they think to another. How to force theme a single. No. Use on a server component. Page to loud out. Inner content. Okay. A workaround I'm thinking of is somehow sending the function from here to there. How viable is that? We have to find out. Here, somehow in the router push, we send the function. It shouldn't be that way though. Multiple themes. Thank you for not telling me what the multiple themes are. Appreciate it. Pretty themes. Have you ever have that an interview and you're just like, I know this thing, but you just can't figure it out. Why? Who knows? It just doesn't come to your mind that right moment. Excuse me. Um. Okay, the problem is simple. It's this thing doesn't want to cooperate. And it doesn't cooperate if I don't write it right. Okay. Great. Okay, because the roadmap has to also change. I'll deal with that in a second. Just themes, brother. You change themes and the whole thing just changes. It's so funny. Pepe. Okay, yes, here's the whole thing. It's not iterable. Who wants it to be iterable? I don't want it to be iterable. Iterable. Use theme. It's not iterable. It's a use state. Result is not. Where was it? Here. Use theme. Might somehow import in something else. Here we go. Use theme. Use theme. Please tell me it's not that. Please tell me it's not that. I just saw what it could be, and I hope it's not that. Because if it's that, I give up. I give up on coding the rest of my life. It's not that, right? It can't be that. It was that. Great. Fantastic. It's not lagging. I don't know what it's doing, but it's, you know, let it do its thing, you know. Let it do its thing. Okay. Not bad. Not super bad. Set theme, blah 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 blah. Alright, so inner content. We go to inner content. Theme, blah blah. Okay, so we don't need theme here, right? We just need const theme. Now we're picking it up. Now we're back. We don't even need set theme here because we figure it out. The set theme is just this thing right here. We don't even need a set theme. Set theme. Listen, buddy. I'll fix it in a second. Right. Inner content. Use theme. Apparently isn't inside of it. Now we're in. Okay. It's cooking. Not bad. not completely bad, not completely good either. It's okay. It's okay. Nobody said it needed to be perfect. Oh my god, the colors. The colors, the entire colors section is just blowing out of proportions. Themes, we don't need themes anymore. We can just import that. And the big content. By the way, have you seen the small content? Well, you're not gonna see it. You're not gonna see the small content. you thought you were gonna see it? Nope. You're not gonna see it until I fix it. Until I fix it. The colors, ignore the colors. Especially, yeah, ignore the colors. The background, and this thing, because we're working with the dark theme. Ignore it. But it's pretty cool, right? You can look it on your phone. This thing has all of the things. You got arrows. Pretty cool. And that's so elegant, so nice, so sincere, so beautiful. Now, let me take out Paco from here. Okay, now, what we're gonna do now? There's so many things to do. Okay, we sent it here. I got rid of the search parameters. I still need to get rid of this search parameter, but one step at a time. Toggle completion, that's fine. The content has its dark theme. We don't need that. Completion for sure. Const theme. Use theme. Perfect. Its dark theme has to be replaced with theme. Fantastic. Pretty sure content fourth step. Right. The colors are just changing by the minute. But it's okay. It's okay. Nobody said it was gonna be pretty. Not at the beginning. Const theme, use theme, import use theme, and then we change this thing. And again, it's not gonna be pretty. It's not gonna be bad either. We're making progress. Okay. Bit content. Toggle completion. Yeah. Ads. Perfect. Roll map has a theme thing here. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. So const theme. Have you guys tried to use Vim? Vim is... I've tried it. I still gotta work on it. I got Newbie, by the way. I'm different. I'll show it to you other day. Some other day with more people here. We got 4 people. That's a lot of people. Okay, so theme, but we're gonna change dark theme. Roll map. Right. Perfect. Okay. So I think we finally completed the first part of the refactoring. It's been 1 hour and 12 minutes. First part done, I think. Japan's. Okay, it's done. You don't need theme, brother. Nobody needs to be sent a theme. You can just get it by yourself. You're a grown up. It's mark buttons and draggable switch. Tooltip. Okay, get your own theme. Theme. I use theme. Get your own theme. You can also get your own theme. Cons theme, use theme. Pretty much it, right? Everything working perfect. Okay. Theme provider, default mode, dark. It's a class. I don't want it to be a class. I want it to be a boolean, but if it's a class, it's a class. Can we make it boolean though? Theme provider, boolean. Nets. Yes. I really want it to be an attribute. Theme provider. Attribute. Provided. It's getting weirded out, but switching things with my system. Fantastic. There used to be a problem, now there's no problem. Thank you, whoever fits that problem. Attribute class. Alright. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Why is it dark? Who knows? Who wants to know? Right. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. It's first of all fits the welcome thingy. Tailwind. We're gonna fix tailwind. Yeah, but that's one way to do it. Certainly. Mamma mia. Dark mode. There you go. Create theme. Okay, here we go. Plugins. Nets UI. What is Nets UI? Is that like a component library? netsui.org. Yeah, it's a component library. Oh yeah, I've seen it before. No thank you. Is there a way to do it without theme? It's 10 colors. Tailwind, CSS, themes, configuration, themes, screens. Oh, class. How to create multiple things using Tailwind CSS. That's pretty. What is this, brother? There are 50 ways to do something every time we try to do something. Do you guys love that? I love it. Creating a custom theme system with Tailwind CSS looks promising. That's what I have. Is there a way to do it with class names? Themes, screens, colors. Can I just do themes? Wait. It says themes. Oh, I already have themes. Man, oh man. This is no good, brother. Mastering custom dark mode with tailwind CSS plus netcs. Let me put netcs here. Maybe that helps somehow. Styling tailwind CSS theme using classes. Creating multiple themes. Close that. This is using Beat or CreateNet's app. Maybe I'm wrong, but let me try it this way. I don't want to do it the other way, but I think it's viable. The way this guy's doing it, this guy. Second Kithsa 2024. Great fella. He's an executive. We gotta go with executive. Modifying app. Come on, brother. You know, maybe the best way for now. Doesn't seem right. But for now, it could be our best chance at something. Let's see. Let's get the theme. Data structures and algorithms. Okay. Learn fast. Yes, it's sort of working. Yeah. This is the naive, perhaps, way of doing it. But it's my way of doing it, so I'm doing it. Buttons. Why are you asking for themes buttons? Shouldn't be asking for themes. Buttons. Theme. Set theme. Use theme. Buttons. Set themes. Themes. Right. 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 Themes. It's not a boolean. It's not a boolean. And yeah, it's not a boolean. Okay. From what we got, this should work. It doesn't entirely work because the background doesn't work. Why doesn't the background work? We'll see. We'll see. Just give me a second. Give me a second. This is gonna fit in 2 seconds. Count them. 2 seconds. You count, and this is gonna be fits. Ba ba da ba da ba da ba da ba ba da ba da ba da ba da ba 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 ba. One second. We're making honest progress. Honest progress. This is beautiful progress. I don't like that it's, but you know, get used to it. Get used to it. Honest progress. You love to see honest progress. I love to see honest progress. This is beautiful progress. Okay, I don't like this. Welcome. Welcome. Actually, where is this? It's in welcome, I think. Here we go, list. Here we go, background white. There you go. Background white. White. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Beautiful. Beauty. Fall. Now let's go to the roadmap. Now you see the roadmap doesn't work entirely. Oh my. It doesn't work entirely. I don't think it does. Roadmap doesn't work. Trust me, it doesn't. It looks like it does, but it doesn't. I have to come and fix it. Excuse me. Oh, it's because of something else. You don't need themes. You just get your own theme. Use theme for sure. This is what I don't like. This is what it was doing that thing before. Don't do that. It's not a boolean. It's not even a prop. Nice. Use theme, dark. I need to send in a theme because it doesn't have it. And this one, it's not even using a theme. No, it's not even using a theme. That is beautiful. Now it works. It was supposed to be that color, not white. By the way, is it lagging? Oh my. It's not, right? Just give me a second. Let me see if this thing is working. Oh, you want to do the 1-1? I don't know. It seems like it's lagging. It's not. Beautiful. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, we have 1 hour and 30 minutes on the clock. What was I doing? Beautiful. Now we go to the, well, let me see this. Beautiful. I don't think I changed that anything about that. Look at this. The only problem, performance. It's horrible. I go here and I start recording the performance. It's horrendous. I gotta fix that. But right now, that's somebody else's problem. That's future's me problem. Okay, I gotta fix this part. I gotta go to the bathroom, so I'll be back in a second. Alright, I'm back. Quick bathroom break. You always need it. I hope you went to the bathroom too. Well, yeah. Roadmap is finished. I just need to look at the big content now. Yeah, it's honestly not that hard. We just changed the theme to dark theme thingy. Oops, you don't need that. Yeah, for now, if we figure out what happens afterwards, then we do that. But for now, this is the best viable solution that we can have. Yeah. Content for step. Same. You don't need this. Same. Perfect. Right. 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 Content for step, bitch, big content, blah 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 blah. Inner content, that's the problem. Yeah, right now it's inner content. Set theme, set theme. You don't need those things. Set theme. Pretty sure I just deleted something that I shouldn't have deleted, but that is fine. For now, because I'm just gonna change it in a second. Did I just change it in a second? Belief in the process. Pop error. Inner content 260. Here it is. Const theme, set theme, use theme. Fantastic themes. Beautiful. Yep, absolutely beautiful. Slight problem. That's inner content. Page JSets, inner content, separation. Where do I have the problem? Oh, here it is. Okay, so that's why I have that's why. I had to fix this from the beginning, so it's quite alright. Theme is dark. Then we want to do something, otherwise we do something else. And we want to wrap this around some curly brackets. If it's just background dark, dark background. Otherwise we do light background. Oh my. light, and that is supposed to be somewhat useful. Last name. Okay. Okay. The only thing that we can sort of see the white things here are just the ads. That's what's killing us. But otherwise, it's perfect. It's simply perfect. Yep. Okay. Yeah. More ads. Add. Whatever. Okay. Okay, this is the next thing I want to fix. The small content. It didn't work like that. Dark. Small content. Theme. Dark. You don't need that. Change this, change that, and take this off. How's that looking? Good looking? It's not looking any different. Content for step. Alright, because we don't have a background. Okay. My bad. Something like this is what we need. Yeah. Let me just copy and paste this thing. Diff. Hopefully this doesn't change anything, aka doesn't break it, aka we don't have to do some fancy work. Okay, and we gotta put the diff on the bottom, right? Did it work? Did it work? Why isn't it changing? Because it's not changing. Yeah. Okay. Slight problem. Where is the? It's right here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's a problem. Bars for icon. Pets is black now. Pretty good. I think so. That hurts. That hurts a lot. Let me go here right away. And let me just do the background light gradient. Huge heading. Huge headache. The stream is going quite well, I'm not even gonna lie. I thought my CPU wouldn't handle it, but it's handling it. What a beauty. What a beauty. What was I gonna do? Yes, this thing. Loading, the loading thingy. The loading thing is because... What's the name of the loading thing? Skeleton? Yes, but suspense. That is the word I'm looking for. Yeah, right here. Right here, right here. I don't know why it doesn't work. Generally baffled at the idea that it doesn't work. Like, okay, so it works. It's something else that it's not working. What is this thing loading to, though? Because if you realize it, if you understand what's happening, both are light, right? You see what happened there? Light, and then this is light. So something else is happening. This is the second loading. Sort of the second loading. The first loading. Where's the first loading? Ah, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here you are, brother. Do we even need this? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yes. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. I didn't like how that looked at all. I didn't like how that looked at all. So yeah, that needs to come here. And that is going to fit. It's the other way around. What? What is happening right now? Light. Still doing light mode. Okay. Okay, that's gonna keep it there. Why is it doing dark? We do light. Are we even loading? Yeah, we are. Let me close it. Sometimes we need to rerun it. Let's call it. It's compiling. 1 second until it compiles. It's loading. Okay, loaded. Dark. Yeah, it was. It was. This thing is so weird. Inner content, maybe small content has some loading thing again. No. Hmm. It's loading again. Hmm. Trying to remember what was the problem to begin with. Comments. The white thing is just an ad. Just don't worry. Don't worry about it. There are no problems. Yeah. There are no problems at all. Why is it light? That is a problem right there. Why does it want to be light? I thought I changed this already. I guess I forgot to change this part. Const from theme. I don't think we need to use anything else. Use theme. Take that off. Dark. Don't need themes. I thought I already did this part. So strange. Really strange. I don't know. Set theme. I don't think we're using set theme here. We don't need theme. Put it back. Here, here, here. Yep. Yep. So strange. I thought we did this already. Deja vu. Okay. Saved. Saved. And why did it work if it wasn't? I genuinely don't understand that loading thing. We will get it. Believe me, we will get them. What? Is it because I think I know what's happening? It's because initially shouldn't initially have dark because we did it here. Default theme is equal to dark. HCS theme default. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Welcome. So strange. It could very well be that I like to use edge just in case. Nope, edge has the same opinion. Edge is opinionated. Opinionated. Everything looks well though. Just welcome. It has a problem with the way we do things. It's loading, 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 loading. Here we go. It's loading. Theme equals dark. It's not, so it goes to this one by default. Is that what's happening? That is what's happening. it doesn't know what the default theme is until later. It takes some time for it to know what the default is. I think so, right? Yes, it sort of takes some time for it to know what default is. By the way, you can hear me, right? Let me check again. Yeah, you can hear me. Okay. Yeah, it takes some time because how do I know this? Theme is equal to dark? No, because it doesn't know that it's equal to dark, so it goes to this one. It goes to the second one where it doesn't equal to dark. Now, if I go and I use light, it takes some time, so it uses light. I don't know why it takes some time. Doesn't it know what the default is? But it does know what the default is, because when I load it, you know, reload it, or right now it's dark. I put it light and I go to home, it's light. I go to Pepe, which is another page, and then it's dark. It remembers what the theme is. However, maybe it's too fast for this component to know what theme is. I can take it out. I can take it out. I thought it was a pretty good way to do it, but you know what? It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Let me just take out this thing. Yeah, but it's okay. Okay. This thing has to wait for the content data. Is it breaking my whole thing? No. But we have to wait for content data. Is there a way to do it in JavaScript like this? Just let it stay there. Let's not break it. I don't know why. For some reason it takes like 3 years for it to realize that what the theme is. Generally, I'm confused and I'm kind of tired. It's already been 2 hours. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for looking at this. And, join the Discord, or you're free to collaborate. Tomorrow I'm gonna keep working on the theme. Not tomorrow, Friday, I'm gonna do the theme, and I'm gonna add the socials in the corner. I mean, I have a few lists here of things I have to do. I don't know, let me see if I can make it bigger. Let's see, edit HTML semantics. We can do that. We can do the 404 page. We need that. The themes, we're gonna finish it on Friday, I think. We can edit the not found item placeholder. What that means, and I have to explain it what the community tab is, but I'll explain that afterwards. What that means, you see the green things that I have here? It means I already added content to it. The bubbles that aren't filled, I still don't have content. You see I have, no content available for general. For initialization, set operations. Sure, instead of having this, we can sort of have something prettier. And I think, you see, we can also add the privacy terms, social media links, fits content page, fits menu list, content sticky. Oh yeah, I want to make something the list sticky. Small to big and vice versa. Yes, I didn't have that problem today, so probably it already fits. I don't know, what do you guys want to do? We could, I think what I want to do is the 404 page. Why? Because I like to make things pretty. And right now it's not very pretty. It's just a, oh, default Next.js version 404. Oh, you don't see it, my bad. Here, 404 default. I don't like it, so yeah, we can change that. I'm thinking about changing the name of the website. If more people are coming in, maybe we can have some sort of census. We can change the name. Remember, this is like an open source. You can go to the GitHub. It's right here, open source. Welcome to look at it. It explains precisely what I want to do with the website. So, it's, you can join, do whatever you want, but that's all. Oh, you don't see it, Mamma mia. Don't see it here. Here's the open source. It has be nice to everybody. It has a readme so you understand what the website is actually about. It has an Apache 2.0, so it's open source and you can fork it and I don't know, look at it. You have issues, so you can give me a bug report. Oh, this thing doesn't work, tell me. Oh, I like this, but what if you do this other thing? Tell me that too. Welcome to tell me anything you want. But yeah, that's all. I'll see you, actually tomorrow I'm gonna be doing leak code here live. If you want to join, you're welcome to join. But I'm gonna be working on this on Friday, doing leak code on Wednesday. I'm gonna do different things on Wednesday. Mondays I'm gonna do this too, Mondays and Fridays. I couldn't do it yesterday because of some fixes that needed to happen here in the apartment. But I was here, and I'm gonna be here tomorrow and Friday.